Is Skool really the best platform for online courses and communities, or is it just another overhyped tool? Today, I will break down everything you need to know: features, pricing, pros, cons, and whether it's actually worth your money. By the end of this video, you will know if Skool is the right platform for your online business. So stick around and let's dive in. So, what exactly is Skool? Skool is an all-in-one platform designed to host online courses, memberships, and communities, kind of like a mix between Facebook groups, Kajabi, and Discord, but way simpler. It was created by Sam Owens, a well-known entrepreneur, to help coaches, consultants, and course creators run their businesses without the usual tech headaches. This idea is simple: one platform where you can host your course, engage with your community, and manage everything in one place. No need for multiple tools. But does it actually live up to the hype? Let's check out its features. First, Skool's community section is basically a private social feed. It looks a lot like Facebook groups. People can post, comment, react, and engage in discussions. But the big difference: no distractions, no ads, no algorithms messing up your engagement. Next, let's talk about courses. Skool makes this super simple. It's set up like a playlist of lessons. No complicated funnels, no endless settings, just upload your video and text or PDFs and you're good to go. One of my favorite features is the built-in calendar. You can schedule live coaching calls, Q&As, or mastermind sessions. Members get reminders and can RSVP directly inside the platform. Super useful if you run a coaching program. Skool has one pricing plan: $99 per month. That's it. Flat fee, unlimited members, no extra charges, and also provide money back guarantee. So, for the price, Skool is actually a solid deal, especially if you want both a course platform and a community in one. So, if you want to sign up for Skool, please check the link in the description box. And if you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more content like this, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.